Hi everybody, Candace here with Greener Farms DIY. Thank you for joining the YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about these left-right clamp, and then we're going to talk about the side shoe tongue clamp. And what we're going to be doing today is working on these tennis shoes. These are Katie's tennis shoes. Aren't they adorable? It's William's girlfriend. And we're going to go ahead and put a design right here with the clamp, right here. Maybe we'll get one in here, and maybe do something right here. So we're just going to make it nice and cute and try these clamps out that are for the Brother machine. So this is what would be used on a 6-needle or a 10-needle machine. And since I haven't found any videos out there on how to do this, I'm going to go ahead and do it and film it as I go so you all can watch it. Stay tuned, and I will be back as soon as I get it on the machine, and I'll talk you through how to put it on your machine. Now I'm next to the machine that we're going to be installing this on, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and pull out all of the goodies that are in it. So it comes nicely packaged. We're just going to pull it out and then just kind of see what we have going on here. So the first thing I notice is there's a manual. So I'm going to need to read through this manual. It's never been opened, so this will be fun. And then I will probably take these clamps out of their packaging once I read the manual and know which clamp I'm going to be working with. I'm guessing that each of the clamps are going to be marked with some type of wording. So this says it's a D, so I'm guessing that maybe is a D arm. And then this one says, well, this one says D as well. So now I'm going to be looking for some identifying features on it to see which one is left and which one is right. And I can see that this one, it angles to the right and this one angles to the left. So I'm guessing that's what they probably mean by left and right. But I am going to go ahead and read that manual, and I will go ahead and get it put onto the machine, and I'm going to need to take the A arm off in order to get, which I believe is going to be called D arm, where this clamp device is, put on.